Still managing your maintenance tasks, inspections and your team members in the old outdated way? Or using various softwares? Get everything on the same page with Cryotos CMMS software. Cryotos CMMS helps you track your breakdown maintenance, preventive maintenance, and control daily operations of your business, such as safety inspections, quality inspections and operating checklists, all in one user-friendly application. Handle your reactive maintenance at ease when something unexpected happens. Using Cryotos CMMS application, you can snap a picture and draw on your screen to point out the issue. You can then seamlessly coordinate the work and make sure it is fixed. But why let that asset break? Assign a preventive maintenance schedule. See it on your calendar and make sure everything gets checked on time, so downtime never happens again. Our Cryotos CMMS is simple to use app that can track and handle safety issues as you perform safety inspections, site walkthroughs, OSHA inspections, and safety audits. You can build and implement standard operating procedures with operating checklists to ensure operations are consistent across your organization. Having a standardized operational engine has never been easier. Without a CMMS software, your team can receive real-time updates about work orders, inspection failures, and communicate with each other through Cryotos application. Track your assets by QR codes. Manage your inventory in real time. You can also add a signature field for authorizations. We help you manage everything your team needs to get the work done and do it right. Managers can create customized reports to track your team's monthly time, costs, and asset downtime. Getting started with our application is easy, fast and free for 14 days. Have your teams on board and create your first work order in less than a minute. Download Cryotos CMMS today.